Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. Today, we are going to show you how to lock cells in Excel. Let's get started. If you find value in this video, please give it a like to help others find our videos. You can download this video tutorial as a PDF by following the link in the video description below. Step 1. Select the cells you want to lock. Within your Excel spreadsheet, select the cells you want to lock by clicking and dragging to select multiple cells. Or you can press and hold Ctrl and select only specific cells. Step 2. Open the Format Cells dialog box. Right-click on the selected cells and choose Format Cells from the context menu. You can also press Ctrl+1 on your keyboard to open the Format Cells dialog box directly. Step 3. Go to the Protection tab. In the Format Cells dialog box, click on the Protection tab. This tab allows you to manage protection settings, including locking and hiding cells. Step 4. Check the Locked option. In the Protection tab, ensure the Locked checkbox is selected. By default, all cells are locked, but this setting only takes effect when the worksheet is protected. Click OK to close the Format Cells dialog box after checking the Locked option. Step 5. Protect the sheet. To activate the locking, go to the Review tab on the ribbon. And then, click on Protect Sheet option. This will enable protection for the cells you locked, making them non-editable unless the sheet is unprotected. Step 6. Set a password. This step is optional. In the Protect Sheet dialog box, you can enter a password to prevent others from unlocking the cells. Make sure to remember or save this password, as you'll need it to unlock the cells later. Click OK to apply the protection, with or without the optional password. Step 7. Confirm protection. Click OK to confirm sheet protection. If you've added a password, you'll be prompted to confirm it by entering it again, and you will need to click OK once more to finalize the protection settings. Now, your selected cells are locked and cannot be edited unless the sheet is unprotected. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.